Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Harmony One price update, and the current price for Harmony One is at the $0.16 mark. And I think my key move that I've been explaining in my past few videos, for those that have watched, Harmony One might be headed for the $0.13 mark. And before I get into the details of that, I'll give you a quick brief of what has been happening in the market. So from around the 22nd of July, we started seeing higher prices for Harmony One in this wave 1, wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5, which took us to an all-time high in that Elliott wave chart pattern. And then we had an ABC correction in this other pattern here, and made a low on the at around the $0.16 mark in this wave C that we have over here. One of the reasons as to why I'm saying that we might see a $0.13 mark Harmony One is because I think for Harmony it's in this ABC correction, it didn't touch my target level for this wave C, so I expect us to continue seeing lower prices in a continuation of this wave C, and that might take us to around the $0.13 mark. So my key expectations are that once we touch the $0.15 mark, where we have a key support, that if that zone does not hold, I expect us to break to the lower side and unlock lower prices and touch the $0.13 mark. And once that move plays out, I think Harmony One will have done whatever it needed to do in its ABC correction. Then whatever should follow on this other side is a wave that might take us to an all-time high. That can be maybe in a wave 1, then a pullback in a wave 2, a wave 3, then a wave 4, and then a wave 5, which might take us to a new high. So that's my key expectation that I expect to see on this chart. And also, by going by the fact that maybe we reached the low for Harmony One on the $0.16 mark, and maybe whatever is forming over here is the wave that is taking us to an all-time high. So we might see lower prices and maybe touch the $0.15 mark. And once that happens, that support zone can hold, and if it holds, we can then have a bounce back to the upper side and maybe break the resistance that we have on the $0.26 mark. And once that happens, we can have a retest of that zone, and once we have a retest, we can then break to the upper side and maybe make it to an all-time high. So that's my key second scenario that I expect to see. And by going by the fact that Bitcoin is continuing to give us more sell-offs, the move of touching the $0.13 mark is very possible, so we need to watch this key support on the $0.15 mark. And if it happens that we see the $0.13 mark, that would be a very good entry point, and that's not financial advice. So don't buy, hold, or sell any crypto without doing your own research and analysis, and I'll keep you updated on how the market plays out.